Good afternoon. This is David Marsh with eminitradingstrategies.com. It's been a while since I've done a blog or a blog video. As you probably recall, if you've been coming to my blog for some time, I discontinued sales of the Tick Trader course back in June 2012. So not much need to really update anybody. But now I'm here to announce the release of my new system, ETS Power Trading System. I expect this to be available May of 2013. Now, the power trading system is a new way to trade all markets, not just the S&P E-minis, but all markets. In fact, we use power trading system and we teach it to our current students how to trade the NASDAQ mini markets as well as the S&P. So now we're generally trading two markets a day. And I'm going to show you charts of the last couple days so you can get an idea of what the power trading system is all about. Now let me back up a little bit, back to 2007 when I first came online. I was selling my Tick Trader day trading course, and I said way back then that it would be a limited engagement. In fact, as I mentioned, I stopped selling in June of 2012. The reason is I give personal support. I teach everybody. I talk on the phone with everybody. It takes a lot of my time. I love doing it, but we had to put on the brakes. Well, I've been working on the power trading system behind the scenes, if you will, for the last couple years. And it does have some of the components of the original Tick Trader system, but it also employs new setups that target more than 1 point a day. In fact, on average, we're making between 2 and 4 S&P points per day. So anywhere between 100 and 200 bucks per contract per day. Now, you may recall, if you've read my website or if you've seen some of my videos before, that when I was selling my Tick Trader course, that was all about making 1 point profit per day. And honestly, if you're trading a large contract base, there's nothing wrong with that. But many of my students don't really have that kind of trading capital to trade 20, 30 contracts to make a viable living off of 1 point per day. Most, on average, are trading between 5 and 10 contracts. And although 1 point a day at that level is still pretty good, most people want more. So with two of the components of the Tick Trader system and the new components that combined make the power trading system, we're averaging 150 bucks to 200 bucks per contract per day. And over the next several weeks, myself and my staff will blog, show videos and results so you can see the power of this. All right, let's go and look at some charts. This is the S&P minis, and this is Monday. We only had one trade, and it was about 10:45 in the morning or so. And it wasn't a really big winner, but it was a nice winner. It was good for about 6 ticks. Not too bad. And now here's the NASDAQ market. Let me stop and talk about what I'm doing. It may be a little difficult to see these little lines here, but these are entry prices for a power trading system entry. We're developing new software. It's still in beta, but it's showing accurate levels, but the software you see here may look different at some point when it gets released. But we had a long trade here. We had a short trade here. So we had 3 winning trades before lunchtime, and we're up about 180 bucks per contract. Not too bad. Now let's go ahead and look on Tuesday. Tuesday we had a really good day. You can see I got the software up again, showing another power trading system trade. We had 2 nice back-to-back winners, trading 3 contracts up $325. And then let's look at the NASDAQ trades. Here's the first chart here. We had 2 nice winners. And by the way, these are real trades. They're not hypothetical results. These are real trades. Okay? Here's the first one here, and here's a short one. You'll see there's one here, but the way I teach it, we run a trailing stop and we take more than a few ticks profit. So it's possible a student may have got this trade as well, but for the most part they ran us up from this trade here, and then the same with this trade down here. And then between 10:30 and noon we had 2 more winners, and these 2 trades here based off of 3 contracts were another 180 bucks. So we had just about a $600 per contract day Tuesday, and about 180, 175 bucks per contract per day Monday. So combine that, we had a pretty good couple of days. And these are the results we see day in and day out. Now, one question we expect we're going to have is, can I trade this all day long? And the answer is going to be yes. The setups we teach you in Power Trading System can be used to trade the markets all day. Personally, I'm not interested in that. I like the idea of making a couple $100 per day per contract on average, doing it within a couple hours of the opening bell and walking away. But I got to tell you, we've had some stellar results, especially on the NASDAQ lately, where we've seen just trading 3 contracts, $1,500 to $2,000 days, trading every single day. Now, those may be extremes, and again, I'm not promising trading results. Results will vary, but I urge you to come back day in and day out to my blog. I'm going to add more videos. I'll show the trades every day, and you can get a real take for what the Power Trading System is. So hopefully, middle of April, I'll do my first webinar, and we'll kind of take it from there. But in the meantime, if you have questions, you can contact me directly, David at eminitradingstrategies.com, or you can call my cousin, Al Mobus, Al at eminitradingstrategies.com, or area code 904-718-4490. 904-718-4490. Thanks again for watching. I look forward to doing some more videos. For those that have been following me for a couple years, you know I used to do videos every single day. Hopefully we'll start doing them again like that. I get a lot of feedback on them. So again, get in touch if you have any questions, and we'll hopefully talk to you soon.